All right. Oh, it's like starting to rain. Good thing we came in to eat now. Like the wind's starting to blow and stuff. Wow, I've never seen a hot dog this big.
I have.
It's probably bratwurst.
I need ketchup.
Me too.
There's a fry hiding under my. Oh, the ketchup is over in a stand over there.
Is it packs?
Yeah. All right. Huh. I've made a lot of vlogs today. Today has been a good vlogging day, don't you think?
Dude, I filled my whole cup. Tippity top. With Coke.
With Coke?
Yeah.
What's your thoughts on that?
On what?
Everything.
Nice.
That's a small hot dog. Look at my hot dog. My hot dogs are like, hey, you're a small hot dog.
What about my hot dog?
Your hot dog. Oh yeah. Big hot dog brothers. Oh yeah.
I gotta retry it.
Wow. It's nice in here. Oh yeah, it's starting to rain. Starting to rain.
How can you tell?
I can tell because I have magical powers. And on that rainy note, I will see you guys, all of us, signing out.
Here it is.